In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to customer mode in Payhip. Customer mode is a handy way to view Payhip from a buyer's perspective. So you can quickly check how your store, product pages, and checkout look without leaving your account. Here's how to do it smoothly and confidently. Start by opening your browser and heading to your Payhip dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log in so you land on the main dashboard page. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see your store controls and the familiar admin layout. Next, take a look at the top right corner of the dashboard. That area is where Payhip groups your personal and store level controls. You'll typically see your profile image or an icon there along with a small drop down. This is the menu we'll use to switch views. Click that menu and select Account. This opens a panel where Payhip gathers key account options. It's a central place for preferences, profile details, and the setting we need for switching how you're using Payhip at the moment. Inside the account area, look for a section labeled Use Payhip As. This section lets you choose the mode you want to operate in. It's designed to make it easy to move between your seller tools and a customer view without logging out or opening a private window. Now click Customer Mode. As soon as you do, Payhip updates your view so you can experience the platform like a shopper would. This means menus and navigation will focus on what customers see, and you can browse your storefront, open product pages, and get a feel for the checkout experience. It's especially useful for confirming that your product descriptions look clean, your images load correctly, and your pricing and variations appear as expected. A few quick tips while you're in customer mode. Keep an eye on any indicators in the interface that confirm you're viewing as a customer, and take a moment to scan your most popular product pages. If something doesn't look right, remember that you can go back to your dashboard later to make edits. Also, if you're testing links, make sure they open correctly and that any discount messages or delivery details are displayed clearly. That's it. By going to your dashboard, opening the top right account menu, finding Use Payhip As, and choosing Customer Mode, you can confidently preview the buying experience and ensure everything is polished before sharing your store with the world.